Welcome back to the Cryptoverse, guys. My name is Brandon and I am back with another Harmony video for you guys. Today I'm going to tell you why I think Harmony is potentially gearing up for a nice month of July. With that being said, let's roll that intro and let's hop on into the Cryptoverse so we can check out this Harmony. Welcome into the Cryptoverse, guys. So let's hop on into this Harmony. So higher time frames on the right hand side, lower time frames on the left hand side. Again, just for people who may be looking at this and be a little bit confused because there's two charts up on the screen. I don't want to confuse anybody. So with that being said, let's hop into this. So this ascending channel here, we are breaking below this ascending channel as of right now, which I think we'll eventually get back inside of, or we'll start to form a new channel. But if you look at this green box here, we are still within an area of value. We are going sideways after a run up. We're going sideways after a run up, which can be a potential sign of consolidation after a run up. So if we can get back above this 20 EMA, flip this and hold it, then that will be a good sign. Also, from this move here, let me just show you guys the move that started this whole trend here, that reversed here, not reversed the whole trend, but this is a normal trend reversal here for a swing. So there, and then we ended up breaking this, so that's a swing reversal there. And then we ended up we reversed it, and then now we're sitting sideways, which can be a sign of, you know, something like this. Maybe we go up, reverse this, and then we sit sideways, and then, you know, take off from there, which would be a nice clean little reversal there if that actually happened. But this is what I think is going to happen here. So we're sitting sideways within this area of value here. If you look at this on the left hand side, if you look at it on the left hand side, we came down just below the box just a little bit, and we came back up, tested the top again. We made a double top up top, and I think we're coming out to make this double bottom here. If you look at this move here, I'm going to put this up here again just one more time. I think I did it already, but I'm going to do it again just to show you guys. So we take this point A to B, and then to the lowest point of this retracement here. So we are still above the 50% for this move here. So this move is not out of the woods yet. Until we close, get one or two closes below this 50% here, that is when I will count this move out. As of right now, this move to me is still intact. We go here, up here. If we don't get some closes below this 50% here, or even just below this box here, then this move is still valid. We still have the potential to come up, do what I said, sit sideways. Maybe we even sit sideways longer in this box before we take off. Maybe we sit sideways in this box until the mid of July, or even the end of July, 10 days left of July, and then push up to maybe this 161.8, or even the 200% here. Maybe we wait that long, but I think Harmony 1 is gearing up for a nice rally along with Bitcoin. I think Harmony 1 will probably even come up to, where's May 19th? May 19th. Here. We may potentially even come up and test the May 19th. The day that shifted the market sentiment, which would be a nice, basically almost 200% if you were to get in down here. And then if you just take this and get the 50% of this whole move in general, which started all the way back here, take that and take it to the highest point, and then you turn off log scale, our 50% is up here. So a more reasonable target for what I think this rally will do is maybe we will possibly come up and test our 50% level, which is about 78% away from our price action as of right now. That is more of a reasonable target for this move that we are seeing, but that would be over 300%. We would have to literally do 400% of this trend that's forming, just a little bit over 400%. So around 341% basically of this trend that formed, which I'm not saying it's not possible. It's possible to happen, but that is the most least likely scenario. Maybe we even come up here and just test, you know, some of this area of value up here, because we're at the last area of value here. So we got the first value or area, then the second area, and then the third area, which we are currently in the third area of value right now. So before we even think about that, we have to hit this golden pocket here at almost 8 cents here. So maybe we, you know, sit sideways a little bit, come test this up here. Maybe we see us come halfway, sit on this trend line here that, you know, was formed from the down, from the crash here. Maybe we sit there, come up some more, test this next area of value here. Maybe we test this value first, and then we come up here and test this area here. Maybe we see that type of stuff there. But before we even, you know, think of us coming back up to the May 19th, like I said earlier, we have to get back above this 50% here, which is at 11 cents for this whole trend that started at the beginning of this bull run. But as of right now, for Harmony, I think we are gearing up for a nice move in July. First target would be for me would be, I want to see us hit this pocket here, hit 161.8 at almost 8 cents. Get up to this next area of value, and then, you know, maybe even test this area of value, gain some strength within this area of value here at this second, you know, at this second green box, gain some strength here. Then after we gain some strength here, maybe we come up to this next box value, gain even more strength. Why can I not click anything? Gain some more strength here, and then come up and test the 50%. Even if we were to get rejected from this 50%, it would be a sign of weakness if we were to come up here and get rejected off the 50%. But if we don't get like a hard rejection, maybe we come here and sit above this box and then come back, test it again. As long as we don't keep coming up testing the 50% and getting rejected every single time, then I think we're pretty well off. So with that being said, I want to see us first come in the second area of value. Once we do that, the first area of value. After that, get up to the top of this area of value, come test the 50%, see if we can flip that. If we can flip the 50%, then I will gain some more, you know, belief that we are starting to change this, you know, downtrend, all the fear and stuff. So with that being said, that's it for this video. Like I said, I think Harmony has a very good July ahead of it. So if you liked the video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Hope you guys found some value out of this video. Also follow me on Twitter. Join my Discord server if you want to come share your ideas and just help each other make money, because that is the whole purpose of this channel, is to help you make money and to also help myself make some money, because I just like to share, you know, the wealth. If I'm making money, why not share with you guys to help you guys make money? So with that being said, guys, hope to see you guys in the next one. Cryptoverse out of here.